Is it possible to get Excel to insert an absolute reference when clicking on cells to build a formula? If you build a formula by clicking on a cell to insert its address into the formula, is there a way of making this reference absolute rather than relative? I've been using Excel for many years but never come across a way of doing this. I've tried the obvious Shift plus click, Control plus click and Alt plus click.
Click the cell and then hit F4. As you keep hitting F4, it will cycle through various level of absolute. Example. Click the cell A1, type equals, then click the cell B1. Hit F4. The reference to B1 becomes $V$1. Hit F4 again. The reference becomes B$1. Hit F4 again. The reference becomes $B1. Hit F4 again. The reference returns to B1.
I've just been through a similar issue where I needed to do this for a large number of cells ad hoc. And this code saved my sanity smile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.